All right, so beautiful, beautiful A plus setup. Let's show PNL. Yeah, that's pretty fucking nice, bro. Pretty freaking nice. So, what went through my head? Why I took the trade? Everything. All right, so coming into the bias, first thing I see is obviously we are in a very strong downtrend. Yes, I agree, very, very strong downtrend. But what do I see? Well, first thing, bearish, getting disrespected, bullish, getting respected. We are wicking the daily gap. So this is telling me, yes, we are overall in a downtrend, but bro, you're most likely going to have a rejection. So now I'm looking, okay, well, on the 4 hour, we're tapping into EQ. So very nice. That's a good point of rejection. Not only that, on the 4 hour, we have a gap. We have a fair value gap just above. That's a very strong draw on liquidity. Not only that, London high, equal highs, 4 hour gap, and we have relative equals. Bro, if you are shorting in this market, there is a serious problem. Go back in the playbook because longs are so obvious. The draws on liquidity today were just so clear. So, keeping that in mind, we had a very nice 15-minute wick. We did even have a full body closure inside of this fair value gap. We wicked right inside of it. Then drawing out our Ghana box, we are in discount of the range. So that was beautiful. Obviously, you don't want to take fair value gaps in a premium. Always want to take them in a discount. Wicked right inside this 15-minute. Came down to the 1 minute. We had an inversion, but I wanted to take the highest time frame inversion, which was the 5 minute. We got a beautiful fill, absolutely beautiful, targeted straight for a 1-to-1, break even at these highs, take profit right at these highs. Now you're going to say, Alexander, if you're so sure, why didn't you take London high? Because we had stacked highs. We had equal highs at these highs. Well, for the simple reason, I love my 1-to-1s, bro. If I have a clear 1-to-1, bro, why wouldn't I take it? It's money in the pocket. Like, you know. Anyways, if you did like this video, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you took this trade as well, let me know. Also, I did take this trade live in my VIP Discord. So if you do want to trade live with me, I have a link down below. Go check that out as well. And yeah, have a beautiful day.